Il Crogiolo was born in 1984 from the passion handed down by Massetani family generations in metalworking, creating successful quality products, adding new techniques and technologies to the traditional methods. We became the metal modelers, both by the creation of accessories for high fashion and by luxury bijou. Every one of our creations is born from the modeling. With 3D printers and the hand dexterity of our specialized craftsmen, we are able to create models to reproduce both metal hardware for leather goods and jewelry bijou. Our team is made up of expert handcrafters. They can manufacture every kind of jewel, even the most difficult, giving the customers the guarantee of a high quality and alluring final product. Using different methods and techniques, from the handmade incision and recessed stones to the most modern laser microsoldering. Talking about our machinery and equipment, we have got CNC machines able to realize every kind of metal accessories. We are a continuously growing company with young and dynamic human resources able to give the best of themselves in order to give the customer the best product. Our core values are the quality of our production and the professionalism of our work.